Hello again, people. Right, we're on cable. I have actually taken another trade on cable. That's this one here. And that was for net 7.1 pips, net of spread, that is. So all 7.1 pips are mine. I've paid the broker his little bit. And I should point out that I don't point out very often a few things. Firstly, because I've done my analysis from the top down, and that's why, I start on a monthly and carry on. I know this is bullish from the monthly and so on. It's bullish on the weekly. It's green. Although this is just a potential retracement on the short movements, and as we can clearly see, that monthly is looking very bearish. But having said that, and this is without taking any fundamentals into account, coronavirus and all that malarkey, which I think, fundamentals are the whole of the world is in chaos financially. So it is a particularly volatile time, which is why I just like trading the 5-minute charts and the 1-minute charts. So weekly, bullish again, pushing up, or I think I mentioned that just now, pushing up against this downtrend. Then the daily, again green. The bulls are controlling things, and there's the potential to let's tighten that trend line off. I did my whole charts again after I spoke to you, which is what I do all day long, just revise and tweak everything. So we can see there is quite a lot of room to this descending trend line, even though it's tightened up to the last push. Trend lines are not everyone's cup of tea. I like them, as you know. Why not use them if they've been used for decades? Because of course electronic charts haven't always been available, but people still used to draw all these channels and trend lines and such like. You can overdo it, but oh sorry, I meant to go back to H4, but I like them. H4 previous bar closed bullish, and that's the important one, much the same as that red bar. We couldn't really think about doing anything until it had been turned green, and my old diehard here was screaming the same. H1 now bullish on my one and bullish on so that's the 8 o'clock bar we're looking at now, 8 o'clock till 9 o'clock close. It's 8:56 currently. M30 won't tell us anything really much different now. M5 pullback and continuation situation now on this 5-minute chart. So, M15, I do apologise. M5 bullish, hugely bullish candle there. This looks like it might be the continuation. I think there's news at 9:30 again today for the pound. I might be wrong, but that's why I like to trade pre-Frankfurt, and then once the big boys have all messed about. And this is important too. This is the second most important part of this. As you know, I've been studying Digger 1 on Aussie, AU, SSI, Aussie's thread on Forex Factory. And he set so much stay on this 8 MA, 8 hourly, which is the 96 on the 5. And look what happened. And I was studying this on gold all day, so this gave me sort of a added bonus, if you like, of confirmation that it had come back, tested the 8 MA, the 96 MA, the 8 on the hourly, and we'd got a hammer there. And a bullish engulfing candle breaking the previous candle's body, and that one Probably not the right name for engulfing actually, but I think, no, an outside bar. It's supposed to engulf the body, which obviously it did. Outside bar engulfs both the high and the low of the previous bar. So engulfing candle, double engulfing if you want to include the previous candle, and that was the trigger to buy, along with the indicators screaming longs at me. And as you can see, and the previous analysis, I'm not sure whether I mentioned this in the previous video, but the 129 big level up there, and then R1 are just begging to be hit, and you know, an H4 high there as well, and it's a H4 high of the 27th of the 2nd that caused a problem, along with 1.29 level, and then we've got this supply area begging to be attacked, or resistance if you want to call it that. Doesn't matter which, both mean the same in my opinion, but other people have different opinions on that. So 2 trades, 2 winners, very stress free. There were plenty more opportunities. I haven't even looked closely at gold since I last talked about it, but rest assured I will once I've had a coffee break. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.